Hey Rusty, this is how somebody would actually register and then log in and view your schedule and be able to book with you. So register. I'm going to put this in as Jared. Your time zone, I've actually set your correct time zone. So you are -5. I'll just call Detroit for now. I'm going to use Rusty, Rusty, as his password. Say agree. Get started. Jared has now received an email. Oh, it has to be at least character. Okay, so let's go Rusty, Ryal, Rustyryal. Okay. It has to be, he will now get an email. Hey, Rusty, this is how somebody will actually register on your site. They're going to rustyryal.live.clinic. They'll hit register. So I'll put Jared in here. Choose the time zone. You're actually -5. So somewhere in here. Password has to be 8 characters. I'm going to go test 1, 2, 3, 4. Just for now. And I do agree. Get started. Jared has now received an email to let him know. But now you can see that I've actually gone into here. So he can now book an appointment as such. So I can go and schedule a video call. I'm going to look for the dates. Now this is today's date. There is nothing. So let's change the date. There's the 31st. We've already set this up on the back end there. So there's 7 a.m. I can choose your 7 a.m. consult right here and say schedule appointment. And then he would actually start. That's how you can actually start right away. So that's now actually all set up. So Jared doesn't have to do all that. All he's going to do is log in, and I'm going to send you a separate video to show you that as well as email instructions.